So do you think flip phones are dead? The answer is no. A fashion staple back in the 90s and early 2000s, flip phones are still holding their grip even today. You can even get smart flip phones with Android installed. Here are some of the best to choose from. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. When it comes to flip phones, Samsung has been a pioneer with Samsung's flexible displays. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the latest edition, with a beautiful design where the flexible display means you can fold a full-sized smartphone in half just like you would a flip phone. When it's fully extended, it looks like one singular screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 packs some heavy specs, and is indisputably the most premium flip phone available today. As such, its specs are a lot more impressive, with an Android 12 OS, a Snapdragon 8 Plus General 1 octa-core CPU, and 8GB RAM. It has a 1080 by 2640 resolution and a 6.7 display, when unfolded, of course, and 128GB and 256GB storage variants. Alcatel Go Flip 4. Alcatel has been releasing its Go Flip phones for a good few years. The Go Flip 4 is running on the iOS operating system. It will let you run popular apps like WhatsApp, Twitter, and more. The Go Flip 4 can be picked up for under $100. It packs a Snapdragon 215 CPU and a 2.8 inches LCD screen with a humble 320x240 resolution. It has a small screen on the outer lid displaying the time, and you can expand its storage via microSD by up to 32 GB. You won't take stunning pictures with the 2-megapixels camera, but its battery life and selection of essential apps make it a good, light, smartphone option. Nokia 2720. Nokia's been on a big revival since getting smarter and joining the Android ranks. So it's offering retro-inspired phones. It's released modern versions of its classic like 3310 series but has also released a sleek little smart flip phone in the Nokia 2720. It runs on the iOS operating system, a lightweight version of Linux, which is better suited to low-spec phones than the more power-hungry Droids. It features a big 2.8-inch screen with a small 1.3-inch screen on the outside. A Snapdragon 205 dual-core chipset, 512 MB RAM and 4 GB internal storage with a memory card support. Has a single 2-megapixels camera, Wi-Fi and hotspot support. A 1500 mAh battery providing a huge 28-day idle battery life and 4G LTE support. It was made in partnership with Google, so it features Google Assistant, as well as preloaded vital apps like Facebook, WhatsApp and Google Duo. Motorola Razer 2022. The Razer 2022 is successor of Motorola Razer 5. When it's flipped out, the screen spans from top to bottom. Much like the Galaxy Z, this phone also features flagship-level specifications. It comes with Android 12 out of the box. It has a Snapdragon 8 Plus, Gen 1, 5G octa-core processor, an upgraded 6.7 display compared to 6.2-inch of Razer Flip 5 grams 2020, 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of internal space. It has a 50-megapixel camera with a 13-megapixel ultrawide lens and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The fingerprint is under the display. It has a 3500 mAh battery and a 33-watt fast charging option. TracFone Z233. If you're looking for an affordable prepaid phone running Android, the TracFone Z233 is among the cheapest you'll find. This is a cheap smartphone. But on the downside, this phone is carrier locked, so it will only work with the TracFone cellular service. It has 4 GB internal memory and also supports microSD memory card up to 32 GB. It has 2-megapixel camera, 1.1 GHz quad-core processor. On the plus side, it features 4G LTE connectivity, so you can be sure it will last you a while. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.